Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm continuing the series of tutorials regarding to this project, school registration system. This project is done using Visual C# and Microsoft SQL Server 2019. This tutorial has the goal to build the reports for students and fee. So let me to go on this form reports. So it is about these reports, students and fees. I have done the reports for the teachers in last tutorial when I downloaded and installed the extension what you need to be able to build these reports and also the packages from Manage Nugget what you need in order to be able to build these reports. So I suggest you to watch my last video tutorials, my last video tutorial if you want to understand what I'm doing this tutorial. Otherwise you may understand what I'm doing in this tutorial, but you will not be able to build the reports without that extension and those packages from Manage Nugget. All right, so let's release this application first of all, and I'm going to give a click on reports button, and here was released this form reports. Click on reports, click on teachers. So here you go. So this is the report what I have done in last video tutorial, and as you can see here we have these columns, experience ID, country ID, and so on, and we have some digits in those columns which actually represent the ID, yeah, for these columns, experience ID, country ID, and these are actually the foreign key of teacher table from SQL Server. But in this way, if someone wants to read this report, obviously will understand the first columns up to date of birth, yeah, where we have meaningful data, yeah, but about these digits in these columns, experience ID, country ID, no one will understand anything, yeah. So we should have here meaningful description or records, like here where we have this column experience ID. We might need to have like this teacher Laura Botnar has experience in Java, for example, or Python, and so on. Regard to country ID, here it should be the name of the country, and so on. This is because I use the teacher table which is stored in a database in SQL Server, but we can change this. We can make our reports as we wish, yeah, and therefore I'm going to use stored procedures. These stored procedures actually represent code which will contain a SQL query which we need to use in our Visual C# code. The procedure are a safer way to use SQL query than the classic SQL query what I have used in my code. For example, if I go here on inside this code regard to this form, yeah, for example, I use this select together with inner join, yeah, to join columns from different tables, yeah. If you code in this way, your code will not be safe, yeah. In this way your code is sensible from SQL injection. So that's why the store procedures are a safer way to code SQL query. And most of the time in practice, when you do a database application, you will use store procedures and not this way. Yeah, I'm going to use this store procedures, yeah, to make the reports for students and fees. All right. So therefore, I'm going to go here in Microsoft SQL Server. I'm going to select my database, SQL school registration. Yeah, it should appear here in this drop-down list. And after go here where is written this programmability, expand it, and click on stored procedures, right click with the mouse, new, and click on stored procedure. Here you go. Now let's write our procedure. I'm going to remove these, I don't need them. You just please follow me, and when I finish I will explain all what I have done in my code. All right, let's start. Here you go. I just finished, so let me to give the necessary explication to you. So I created these two procedures as you have seen a few minutes ago. I created this procedure named rep students. You can see them here in this location, stored procedure. So here are the both rep students and rep fees. The rep student procedure, I use this SQL query, select and together with inner join to join different tables from different columns from different tables in order to create a report for students. Also, the same thing I have done here for this procedure rep fees. Have you noticed when I finish the procedure, I click the execute button, and after you should give a refresh here where is this stored procedure if the procedures doesn't appear down here. All right, you can save this if you want to use them or you need them later. So let's close it, and here I'm going to give a name. This is rep fees. Save, and another one is going to be rep students. All right, okay, and I build these two reports for fees and for students, and I used for students this data set. Actually I used this procedure, rep students. If I give a click now here on new, next, here I bring this procedure, rep fees and rep students for students and rep fees for fees. All right, okay. And for each report I create its own form, because we work with forms and we release forms. So for students I have built this form, and here in toolbox you should have this report viewer. You just drag in on your form and choose the report what you want to link to this form. The same thing for fees. I build this form. I drag the report viewer and I choose the report here, report fees. Okay, let's release and let's see how this works. Here you go, click on reports, reports students. Here you go, here is the reports for students. Now as you see, we have for this class name, country, county, and town name, which was brought from another table, these columns. We have here text, we have a meaningful text, town name, Twickenham, Los Angeles, county, country name, United Kingdom, United States, and for class we have effectively the class where this student belongs, class second, class third, and so on. All right, the same thing now for fees. Click on fees, and here you go, here is the report for fees. We brought month from another table, also the first name and the last name, the first name and the last name, as you have seen, we brought them from a student table, the class name from the class table, and the month from the month table. And we have here actually the name of the month, the gender, the name of the gender, and so on. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.